Okay. Gotta get my scared face on. Stairs. Got stairs. Good. Good to have stairs in a haunt. Ew. Looks like they took a nasty spill.
What are you looking at? She was like that when I came.
Looking at the pretty stairs.
What'd she tell you?
Your shape these holes like they shaped me.
Eating turkey and Knott's when we have such great fried chicken. What am I thinking? Obviously, I'm prioritizing the film camera, so I might not be focusing on the program. Yeah, Christmas. Say her name. Okay. I like the doing in my house. Whoa. That is scary right there. That is frightening. So I've got a bathroom. All right. I'm going down the checklist really quickly. It's this one house. Sorry, maze. Got a kitchen. That's cool. Nice little effect. It's still not a bear too. That is awesome. I like that little touch. Poor puppy. Got laundry? Oh my gosh, this house is gonna check every box. Do we have a bathroom? Oh, I like that, that's cool. Ah! Ooh, this part's nice. This part's really cool. Okay, this one.
You have saved me. Thank you for everything about me.
Pepper's ghost.
You will not say my name. Say it. Say it.
Ow! tree. We got very scary. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Someone lost their soccer ball. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. Like the providers. Oh no, we're in the upside down. Nope. Same room, isn't it? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Maybe we want to show that. Okay, I gotta get out of this room. It keeps messing up my camera. Oh. So much sip! This is long, I like it. Something else. Ah! All right, so like, I don't know if it's super scary, but I've got a little bit of the house with me, but that's amazing, and it is long.